Hello guys, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel Techno Elite. In this video, we will see how to install Python programming language in your operating system and see how to set the path variable for this Python programming language in the environment variable. So if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So now we are in desktop. So for downloading the Python setup, we have to first open the browser and search here Python and press enter. For downloading the Python setup, we have to go on the download link. So first we have to open this link, downloads, and here showing that download the latest version for Windows. Here the first download link will be given for Windows. The latest version of the Python is 3.9.7, and if you have any other operating system, then you can download from here. Just like if you have operating system called Linux or Unix, then click on this link, and if you have Mac OS, then click on here, and if you have other operating system, then you can click here and download the Python setup. And if you are searching for the older version of Python, so you can find here the older version, and all of these are listed here. According to your need, you can download it from here and install as well. So now we are going to download the latest version, which is called 3.9.7, and we are going to download it for Windows operating system. So I am just clicking on the download button. So the Python setup is now downloading. So we have to wait. The size of the Python setup is about 227 MB. So we have to wait till it downloaded. So the download is about to complete. So now we are going to install this setup in our system. So now I am going to open this in the folder. So here the downloaded Python setup is given here. The version is 3.9.7, which is for 64-bit. So for install this one, we have to double click on this one, and here the dialog box open showing that install Python 3.9.7, which is for 64-bit, and here showing some more information. Select install now to install Python with default setting, or choose customize to enable or disable feature. So before clicking on install now, we are going to see some more information. So in the below side here showing that install launcher for all user, which is recommended by the Python. So we are going to install this one, and this is default one we are going to install. And in the second option here showing add Python 3.9 path. In the second option showing that add Python 3.9 path. If we tick this one, that means the Python 3.9 is automatically going to set in the environment variable. And if we not tick this one, that means it is not going to update in the environment variable anymore. So we have to set variable path by manually in the environment variable. So now we are not going to tick this one. We will do it by manually. So we can know the second method also, how to set the path variable manually. So that's one. If you guys want to add a path variable automatically, so you have to tick this one and click on install now button. So here Python 3.9.7 is installing. So it take some minutes. So we have to wait for this one to install. So it's now about to finish the installation process. So now the setup was successful. That means the Python is successfully installed in our system. So here some more option is giving disable path limit length. So now we are going to close this one, close button, and see the Python is installed in our operating system or not. So here we can see the Python is installed 3.9. So to check that the Python is set in the environment variable or not, we have to open the command line. So first we have to open run and type here cmd for command line interface. So we have to write here Python version. We are going to checking the Python version is installed. It's showing Python was not found. It's showing because we have not yet set the path of Python in the environment variable. So we have to first set it by manually. So for this one we have to go the exact location where Python is installed. So for this one we have to open the file explorer and go on the Windows disk and open the users. And for this one you have to open the users where you have to install, and for this one we have to go to app data, and after this one we have to go to local folder, and we have to go for program folder, and here showing Python folder, we have to open this one and showing that Python 3.9, that means 3.9 is installed in this folder. So we have to open this one also, and here the Python 3.9 is installed. So we have to copy this link and we have to set it in the environment variable. So for the environment variable we have to first open the environment variable, search here environment. Here in the control panel it's showing edit the in system environment variable. So we have to open this setting and go on the environment variable, and in the system variable we have to go on this line, path line, and we have click on the edit button to add this one. So for this one we have to add here new line. So for this one we have to add here set the Python variable and press OK button to set this variable, and again we have to press OK, and we have to press OK for this one also. So now again we are going to check that Python is installed or not. We have to type here command and open this one command line interface and write here Python version and press enter. So now here showing that Python 3.9.7 is installed in the system. That means our environment variable is set. So let's see how we can write the Python program. So we are going to write here a little bit to test the Python is working or not. So for this one we have to type here Python and press enter. So it's now Python is executing, and we are going to type here Python program. So for this one we are going to print hello world. And press enter. So here the output is hello world. That means Python is working. So that's all guys. If you have any question or queries, then you have to write on the comment section. I will reply it back as soon as possible. I hope you found this useful. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. It motivating me to create this type of videos. Thank you. See you next time.